Hi guys, welcome to another quick tip from VAO11. Today I will be showing you how to clear your YouTube watch history and search history from YouTube. First, look to your left hand corner of your screen. You'll see the three lines to the left of the YouTube icon. Once you click on that, you'll see history. And once you click on that, it will take you to the YouTube feed history page. And here you can clear your watch history. You can see the clear all watch history button just under where you've highlighted watch history. Once you click it, you just confirm that and then all your watch history will disappear. You can also do the same for your search history if you choose to do so. I currently don't have any videos listed here because I'm not currently logged in. If you want to come to this page directly, you just type in www.youtube.com/feed/history. To clear your watch history using the YouTube app, select the library icon at the bottom right hand corner of your YouTube app screen. You will then see the history option listed. Select that. Select the three dots on the top right hand corner of your screen. Select History Controls. You will then be presented with the options to clear your watch history and clear your search history. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you found that tip useful in the comment section below. Feel free to let me know which other tips you would like me to do. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Don't forget to turn on the notifications.